Hey, what's going on, family, man? We got some cleaning up to do in Ethereum. You guys can see that it's been a long time since like October since I did a price prediction in Ethereum. And even in that moment, our price prediction did not go well. We was looking for the market in Ethereum to go lower, and instead the market in Ethereum consolidated and then broke out. So yeah, your boy didn't get this one right. It happens, but we get right back into position to join the winning team. That's one of the best things about looking at both sides of the cryptocurrency space, is that we're able to join the buyers. And if we don't like the buyers, if we see that they're losing at the game, then we can switch teams and join the sellers and actually win at that time. So let's go ahead and talk about and clean up this chart in Ethereum to see whether or not Ethereum is still headed for $2,200, which is lower from where price currently is, or $4,200, which is higher. All right, so welcome to the channel. Make sure before you go, hit that like, share, and subscribe. I want you all to follow me because I want to give you information that is not readily available. And I'm breaking down these charts in a very simplistic and easy to weigh method to understand. All right, so let's go. Now look at this. Let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. It didn't bode well. 14th of October, 11.81% right there. Okay, loss. Now we're going to clean up this chart because we created all of these pockets of selling in the market in Ethereum. You guys can see it, right? And the demand in Ethereum was so strong, was so powerful, that those buyers completely eliminated all of these sellers in these pockets. See that? The buyers were able to take price in Ethereum all the way to the very top of our pocket of selling, $4,053 right there. It topped out on December the 6th, and then it hit it again on the 16th of December. Crazy, right? Crazy. Now, zooming out of this price chart, look at the price action. What are we really seeing in the market in Ethereum? We're getting a market that is just traded within these two wider range pockets of buying and selling. That's it. That's what we're getting. The direction in Ethereum is not really trending up, and it's not really trending down. All of 2024, the market in Ethereum traded a low. Check this out. $2,200 or so, all the way up there to 4,000. That was the range for all of 2024. And we're starting that same range again in 2025. So just keep that in mind as we break down what we think the market in Ethereum is about to do next. 2,200 or 4,200? Which one do you guys think? Well, let's go ahead and break down and create new pockets of buying and selling, because these are the areas that we will look for price in Ethereum to go to. And we expect to see a certain type of reaction when the market price hits these areas, i.e., this is a sell pocket. So once price comes to this pocket, the idea would be for us to see increased selling, right? Real simple. We're going to create this area down here as the pocket of buying, because those buyers were relentless in not letting those sellers get control of that area of these prices. Look at that. The buyers even confirmed it here on this particular day, on the 13th of January. So charts, they're not giving us any lies. They're telling us the truth every day. We get the perceptions of what people think every day. And after this particular day, the 13th of January, you guys can see that the market has just been, it's been stagnated. The market wants to go up, but there's something impeding that process. Something is stopping this market in Ethereum from breaking out and testing this 3,700 sell pocket. And it's this area right here, this sell pocket, that is stopping the market in Ethereum from moving up right there. Okay, so we just created the new layout of the land between those who want to buy and those who want to sell. Real simple. So now we need to break down these price bars to see which side of the market is actually controlling the price. So looking at this on the 2, these 2-day price bars doesn't look bullish to me. The only thing that looks bullish to me is the fact that these bars of selling is not pushing price down. We're still seeing the market in Ethereum trade like this. Okay, that's telling you, hey, these buyers are still here. They haven't left. Even though these price bars are weak, the buyers are still holding the market. Take a look at Ethereum on the 3. You're getting the same type of idea here. The market doesn't want to go down. What about on the 4? Same thing here on the 4-day. The market doesn't want to go down. Every time selling increases in Ethereum, those buyers reactivate. They become more active and they buy this currency. Ethereum on the 5. Okay. What about on the weekly chart? How do you feel about this on the weekly? I want you all to look at this price bar. Okay, look at that one. And then I want you all to look at this one. Okay. Now, when you look at those two weekly price bars, this tells you the current mood of the longer term charts. Who's actually controlling the price on the weekly time frame? It's the sellers. Now, this weekly price bar, though, is telling you that those buyers came back to life and they bought Ethereum at 3,000. So in the short term of this weekly price bar, yes, the buyers are in control, but maybe only in control until they reach the price of 3,400, 3,450. And then the sellers will become more active and push the the cryptocurrency back down. 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5. Ethereum on the monthly chart. Okay. Now we're going to break this down to 330. 330-minute chart, this is where buyers are. Okay. When you see a market trade in a particular range and it's not really moving, it tells you that the market, both sides are just kind of doing a stare down. They're just trying to size each other up. That's what a market when it consolidate means. Nobody's really taking the reins, taking control, taking power. They're like, okay, what you want to do? Like they sizing one another up to see which one really wants to control this market. That's what we're getting right now on the 330. Here is Ethereum on the 5. Okay. We're not really seeing too much. One thing that catches my eye though, that lets me think that buyers have the edge is this 5-hour bar right here. Let me show it to you. Right here. Okay. This one and then this one. These two 5-hour bars is telling me that the buyers may want it a little bit more. Now, I'm not saying that they're completely got control. No, I'm not saying that. But at least on the short term, it's telling me that they want to control the price. So is there a potential for us to see price run right back up to $3,500? Yes, and there is. But what about $4,200? That's the title of this video. I don't think it can run up to $4,200 though. I don't see that on the longer term charts. Okay. So it's kind of like a wash. It's 50-50 that we can see price in Ethereum go up or down. $4,200? I don't think so. I do think that there might be enough gas in the tank for the buyers to push price up to this pocket of selling here. And it's not even that much though. I mean, hitting the low of that sell pocket is only 3.66%, $3,465. At the high of that sell pocket is 5.66%. That might be all the gas that the buyers got. We can't do nothing about that. $3,700 would be my next target. 10.5% there. Okay. Now we will have to see market in Ethereum hold these two pockets of buying, this first one or the second one. Preferably this first one. I would like the market in Ethereum to really hold that first one. But if it doesn't, we have another lifesaver down here, this next pocket of buying. Okay. So I'm just going to keep it right there as right now $4,200? I don't think so. Not yet. But this first sell pocket, maybe the low end of the second sell pocket, is something that we might obtain over the next couple of trading days. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.